Hello guys, my name is Ezekiel and I'm a graphic designer. Today I'm going to be showing you some tips on how you can improve your logo presentation. Without any further delay, let's jump into it. So what I find a lot of the time is that most designers just design the logo like this on a flat surface and just give it to the client. That shows the lack of professionalism. What we want to do, we want to appear more professional to our clients.
So what we have here, we have a project that I did a while ago. I did a rebrand for the Zenith Bank logo. So I'm just going to be dropping some tips for you to see how I present my logo. Tip number 1, logo description. What I tried to do here was just describe the logo to the client, describe how the logo was designed using the fonts Cambria, then also outlining the color codes that I used to design the logo. Tip number 2, I also tried to introduce the logo in your everyday scenario. Say for example, this is an ATM stand, how it will look like when someone is just walking around the block and just needs to use the ATM. This is just like a common ATM design of the bank logo. And tip number 3, I also tried to include a digital experience, which is a mobile phone. You know, Zenith Bank has a mobile service, Zenith Mobile. So I also tried to include a digital service, which is how their logo will look on a mobile phone. So that's how I presented this image. Tip number 4, you try to experiment with print materials. It could be a flyer, it could be a banner, it could be a roll-up stand. Just try to picture, let them know how the logo will look, because most of the times you are just giving them the logo, but if you don't tell them how the logo is going to look, they won't actually see the value in that design that you actually did. So experiment with print materials. Tip number 5, also include the logo in functional designs. So I had to add the logo in an ID card, a functional design, something that an employee will carry when they are at the premises of work. So it's actually a functional design. This is how the logo will look. And tip number 6, try to use informative designs. This is just like a hanging portrait banner to inform the clients of services that the bank renders. So try to use informative design. It could be like a banner on the road, or it could be a flyer, or it could be a brochure. Yeah, so just try to use the logo in informative designs. And tip number 7, include social designs, social media. So social media is the happening thing right now, and most businesses are actually putting their materials on the social media web. So try to inculcate the logo into a social media design to just let your clients or the organization know how the logo is going to look on a social media design. And tip number 8, always tell your clients thank you. Always leave a thank you design for your clients. They appreciate it. Even though they don't tell you, they appreciate a thank you design. So I believe that if you actually put all these steps together, you actually increase the value of your logo. If you give them a really good presentation, you actually increase your chances of them coming back to work with you.
If this video has actually helped you in the improvement of your logo presentation, do like, share, and follow us. Also drop your comments on the comment section to let us know that you enjoyed the video and to also enable us improve our video content. Do ensure that you follow the social media handles to let us know that you enjoyed the video. From me to you, keep creating, stay safe, and see you next time. Thank you very much.